Hello, guys. Welcome back to this lesson. Now, on our previous lesson, we did all this. We talked about HTML headings and paragraph. Now, on this lesson, we are going to talk about HTML formatting. Let's get this out of the way and let's get our formatting. Now, when it comes to web programming, formatting is important. Just as you have Word document, you have the formatting that you do on your Word document. Either make text bold or italicize text. Maybe you will want to underline the text, so on and so forth. And when you come to HTML also has that kind of capability in order for you to make text bold and strong, underline, and so on and so forth. Now, these are all the formatting when it comes to HTML that we have. Now we have, as you can see, we have the bold, which just makes text appear bold. And we have strong. This is used to make text, used for an important text on the either is a paragraph or something. This is to italicize, a text. This is to underline. This is to emphasize. This is to mark text. Well, as we all do an example, so you will see how we can use them all. Now let's just create some space here. Now let's start by using the bold. Let's just get our paragraph tag, and then let's say hello there. My name is Ishmael. Sharif, right? And say I want to make this Sharif appear bold. What I have to do, I will just do the bold in the BR, and then I'll come here and then close it. And if I save and I come to the browser and I refresh, you will see all this. You see my name appear bold. So that's how that one works. And if you also, now I want to comment this out, but let me just leave it like that. Now let's use the strong. Let's see how we can use the strong. To make things fast, I will just copy this and paste, and here I will just type strong, right? And close it with strong too. Let's just save it, come to the browser, refresh. As you can see, make it strong. It's just the same as not the same, I don't want to say the same, even though it looks the same, but this is just used to make text appear bolder. But this one, strong, is for an important text. That's why we should use this, for important text, not just to make things bolder. But if you just want to make things bolder, just for bold sake, you will use this. But this strong is for important text. You will say, oh, but they all look the same. But when it comes to search engine, that's when this one plays a role. This strong, it plays a role when it comes to search engine. And let's just go also with the italicize. Now let me just put some space here if you don't mind. We already know how to insert space. Okay. Now let me just do this one here, and let's just see, we want to italicize this. Let's italicize it, and then we save. Let's see what it does. As you can see, it's italicized the this is my name, just as we can do on Word documents. It's the same thing, you know. And then let's also do the one for underline. You already know what it does, but let's just say so you can see how it works. You can see it underline the text. And now let's do the one also for emphasis. It's used to emphasize text. You know, it's just em. This is very simple. That's why I said earlier on, HTML is very easy to learn. You see, it made emphasis. You will say, oh, they all look the same now, but they are different when it comes to search engine, either Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome. That's when this all these things plays a role. They all have their own unique role that they play. And let's also now let's use we have done the emphasize the mark. Now let's say here, let me just see. Don't forget his name is Smash It, right? And then I will just mark this one and see. So you can see what it does. You can see, so it highlights it. That's what this mark does. It highlights this. It shows that this one is the main. This is the important thing. It highlighted. So that's how this that's what this mark does. And let's also do for the small, so you can see what the small does. The small, let's say I have this. I'll just type small. You will see it will make this appear smaller than the other text. Sorry. You see what the small does is that it makes the text that is in between the small tag, it makes it one step smaller, one size smaller than the regular text. Let's say if this is the font is 12 pixel, and it will make this like maybe 10 or 11, you one step smaller than this, as you can see. And also, but if you use the bigger, you will already know it will do the opposites. Let's see here. Oh Lord, sorry. You see, it just does does the opposite of what this one does. It's appear one step bigger than the regular than its companion, its regular text. You know, that's what the big does. You know, and the delete. Let's see what the delete does. The delete. Let's say my favorite days of the week is Monday, and then I will just say here delete. Let's see, Saturday, right? Save, and then we come here. So this, you see, this is what it does. It does like just a straight line through, just as you are trying to scratch something off. So like my favorite day of the week is Saturday instead of Monday. So this is what it does. It just make a line through it, right? So it's the same for If you don't want to use delete, you can use strike. They all do the same thing. But let's just see. Okay, sorry. If we don't want to use the delete, we can use the strike. And strike. Just do the same thing. So you see, they all do the same thing. Delete or the strike, either one you want to use. And let's also use the insert. Right? Let's just paste this. See, our favorite days of the week is Monday. Now I want to insert this. I will just say in, close, and then save. Now if you come here, you refresh, you will see it's just in the line. My favorite days of the week is Saturday. It's in the line. That's what it does, right? And now let's go to the last two, the subscript and this superscript. What they do. Private. I am a subscript, right? Let's see. And here, as you can see, this is what it does, right? You see, subscript it. And for the superscript, it's just the opposite. Just copy for us to save time. We see paste. We just here. Oh, okay. Superscript. I am superscript. You can see what it does. It makes the text appear upper, while the subscript appear below. This one appear upper. So that's the difference. That's what they do, as you can see. So now that we have learned all about formatting, I hope you all understand how this one works. Because in the coming video we will use all of them. Now thank you all for watching, and if you have anything, any question, you can leave in the comment below and I will sure to reply. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Stay blessed.